Stop. Police car. Lights on. What do you say?
Don't worry, today we learn easy English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Mastery in English.
Hello friends, we are happy to see you today.
Today's lesson is very important.
Yes. It is about police English.
The topic is getting pulled over by police.
Pulled over means the police stop your car.
That means the police ask you to stop driving.
This can feel scary,
But do not worry.
we will help you.
We will use simple English,
Very easy English
slow English.
for beginners.
Henry, imagine this.
Okay,
You are driving your car.
yes.
You see red and blue lights?
Oh no,
The police are behind you.
they want you to stop.
What do you do first?
First, stay calm.
Stay calm means do not panic.
Yes, take a deep breath.
Slow breath in.
Slow breath out.
Good.
Now you stop your car.
You stop on the side of the road.
Side of the road means not in the middle.
Yes. A safe place.
You turn off the engine.
Engine means the car motor.
You keep your hands on the wheel.
Hands on the wheel means hands on the steering wheel.
This is very important.
Yes, very important. Now the police officer comes to your window.
The officer may say hello.
The officer may say good evening.
You answer politely.
Polite means kind and respectful.
Let's practice.
Okay.
Officer says, good evening.
You say good evening, officer.
That is a good answer.
It is short and polite.
The officer may ask a question.
The officer may say, do you know why I stopped you?
This is a common question.
Common means many officers say this.
What do you say?
You can say, no, officer.
Or you can say, I'm not sure.
I'm not sure means I do not know.
Do not argue.
Argue means fight with words.
Yes. Do not fight with words.
Be calm and polite.
The officer may ask for documents.
Documents means papers.
The officer may say, may I see your license?
License means your driving card.
The officer may also ask for registration.
Registration means car papers.
And insurance.
Insurance means car safety paper.
How do you answer?
You can say, yes, officer.
Or, here you are.
Here you are means I give it to you.
Let's repeat.
Yes, repetition helps learning.
Yes, officer.
Here you are.
Again.
Yes, officer.
Here you are.
But wait,
What?
before you move your hands,
Yes. Important point.
you should tell the officer.
You can say, my license is in my wallet.
Wallet means a small bag for cards.
Or you can say, my papers are in the glove box.
Glove box means a small box in the car.
This is polite and safe.
Yes, safety first.
The officer may ask more questions.
For example,
Where are you going?
or where are you coming from?
These are simple questions.
You can answer simply,
You can say, I am going home.
or I am coming from work.
Short answers are good.
Simple answers are good.
Do not give long stories.
Yes. Keep it simple.
The officer may explain the problem.
The officer may say, you were speeding,
Speeding means driving too fast.
or you did not stop at the sign.
Stop sign means a red sign that says stop.
What do you say then?
You can say, I understand.
I understand means I know now.
Or you can say, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry means I feel bad.
Do not shout.
Do not get angry.
Stay calm.
Stay respectful.
The officer may give you a ticket.
Ticket means a fine paper.
A fine means you must pay money.
This can happen.
Yes, it is okay.
The officer may say, this is a warning.
Warning means, be careful next time.
A warning is better than a ticket.
Yes. Very good.
If the officer gives a ticket, what do you say?
You can say, thank you, officer.
Thank you shows respect.
Even if you are sad,
Yes, be polite.
the officer may say, you can go now.
That means you can leave.
You can say, thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day means good wishes.
Then you wait.
Wait until the officer goes.
Then you drive safely.
Drive safely means slow and careful.
Now, Emma, let's practice a full short dialogue.
Great idea.
Officer says, good evening.
Good evening, officer.
May I see your license?
Yes, officer. Here you are.
Do you know why I stopped you?
I'm not sure.
You were speeding.
I understand. I'm sorry.
Very good.
Simple and polite.
Now let's explain some important words again.
Yes, repetition helps beginners.
Pulled over.
Pulled over means police stop your car.
License.
License means your driving card.
Ticket.
Ticket means a fine paper.
Warning.
Warning means be careful next time.
Good job.
Henry, what if English is very hard?
Good question.
What if the driver's English is not good?
You can say, my English is not very good.
That sentence is very helpful.
You can also say, please speak slowly.
Speak slowly means talk slow.
Let's repeat.
My English is not very good.
Please speak slowly.
Again,
My English is not very good.
please speak slowly.
Most officers will understand.
Yes, they will help.
What should you not say?
Do not say rude words and
Do not say bad words.
do not joke too much.
Be serious and calm.
Also, do not lie.
Lie means say something not true.
Always tell the truth.
Truth means what is real.
Henry, what about asking questions?
Yes, you can ask simple questions.
For example,
Can I go now?
that means can I leave?
Or what should I do?
That means tell me the next step.
Short questions are good.
Simple questions are good.
Let's practice more sentences.
Yes, practice is important.
Here are my documents.
Documents means papers.
I will be more careful.
Careful means safe and slow.
Thank you for telling me.
That shows respect.
Again,
Here are my documents.
I will be more careful.
Thank you for telling me.
Very nice.
Now let's talk about body language.
Body language means how your body moves.
Keep your hands visible.
Visible means the officer can see them.
Do not make fast moves.
Fast moves can look scary,
Sit straight.
look calm.
This helps a lot.
Remember, police want safety.
Safety means no danger.
They want to keep everyone safe.
Yes,
Emma, should we add one more practice?
yes, a longer one.
Okay, I am the officer.
I am the driver.
Hello, please stop the car.
Okay.
Good evening.
Good evening, officer.
May I see your license and registration?
Yes, officer. My license is in my wallet.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Do you know why I stopped you?
I'm not sure.
You did not stop at the sign.
I understand. I'm sorry.
This is a warning.
Thank you, officer.
You can go now.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Excellent.
Very clear.
Friends, this is real life English.
Yes, very useful English.
You can use this in many countries.
Simple English works everywhere.
Remember our channel name.
Yes, mastery in English.
We help you speak English with confidence.
Confidence means feeling strong and sure.
Do not be afraid to speak.
Mistakes are okay.
Mistakes help you learn.
Yes,
Let's repeat one last time.
the most important sentences.
Good evening, officer.
Good evening, officer.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
Here you are.
Here you are.
I understand.
I understand.
Very good.
You are doing great.
Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you for watching Mastery in English.
If this video helps you, please subscribe
Like the video.
and comment below.
See you next time.